I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows with pencil, as well as how I do my eyebrows without removing any hair. So if you guys want to see me transform my eyebrows from this into this, make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. So due to little Rona, my eyebrows look like this. I haven't had my eyebrows done since March. So the start of the crisis, I haven't had my eyebrows done. You know, just trying to avoid contact with anyone as much as possible. So I just want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows and how I get them on fleek. So we're going to start with a clean face. My eyebrows doesn't have any oil or any moisture at all, and honestly I prefer it that way because the product goes on a lot smoother when there's nothing at all on your eyebrows. I'm going to use the GoPro eyebrow pencil in black brown. So this one I showed you guys right here, and I'm going to use the Pro Conceal LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it is in the color Toast. I like to have my eyebrow pencil really pointy. So first I'm going to brush up my eyebrows using the spoolie that comes on the pencil, and then I'm going to outline my eyebrows, and this part is very important. So I'm going to outline the top and the bottom. So there goes one side. Looks really amazing. And actually I'm going to sharpen my pencil just a little bit. The sharper the point, the better. I love having really crisp, clean lines like I have here, because the crisp the line is, the better the eyebrows are gonna come out. So what I like to do next, I like to create little hairs with my pencil. So I just go up. And they just basically look like real hairs. So I just do a few of these in the front. And then I go along the length of my eyebrows. And then I just do these sporadically, just however. And this makes your eyebrows look so natural compared to just filling the eyebrow in. But I like to keep a little shadow effect going on, so it'll be like, you know, less dense, and then it'll get denser as the outside goes. So let's put a few more there. Like one going that way. Okay, so there we go. So next we're gonna go in with our concealer, and what I like to do, because my eyebrows is so grown out like insane, I choose a concealer that is closer to my skin color. So instead of going for a concealer that is going to give you like a highlight effect on your eyebrows. Choosing one that is closer to your skin tone is going to conceal all those hairs that I have that is grown out. So that's my tip for you guys. If you guys have hair that's grown out, choose a concealer that is closer to your skin tone. That looks so freaking good. I like to be really careful when it comes to this part, because basically all I'm doing is following the outline of the pencil that I use, and then you get that really nice defined look. And I just smooth it in. I just blend it out with my finger, because the concealer I'm using is so close to my skin tone. Honestly, the blending process is like really simple. Honestly, little to none. And there you go. That's eyebrow 1 compared to this eyebrow. And you guys see the little, the hair-like effect I have going on? It looks really natural. You guys can always use a makeup brush to do this part, but I normally just use, since my concealer has a little tip to it, I normally just use this. And I'm just following the line that I already have, because when I outline my eyebrows with the pencil. And I'm concealing all of those hairs right there. Beautiful. I'm gonna go in, just blend it out really quick with my finger. And this is a simple and easy eyebrow tutorial for you guys. This is how I do my eyebrows. It's super easy, super quick. It comes out looking really good most of the time, even though my eyebrows, I have eyebrows hairs that are super grown out. So if you're still able to see your hairs, you can always go in. Sometimes I go in and I just put another layer of concealer very carefully, just not to mess up what I already have. And from a distance, you can barely even tell I have hair. Normally, I use a concealer for when I conceal my eyebrows. I use a lighter concealer, but only when I have hairs that are outgrown, I'll use a concealer closer to my skin tone. So that's a tip for you guys that are doing your eyebrows. If you guys haven't been to the salon in a while, just use the concealer closer to your skin tone and it will blend in those hairs and you won't even notice it. And that is it. This is how I do my eyebrows with pencil. I haven't had my eyebrows done in 5 months, and it normally takes me about 5 minutes to do my eyebrows each day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also check out my video on how I do my perfect salon pedicure at home, as well as how I do my video on how I do my nails with no acrylic at home. Literally, I have been doing so many DIYs and doing things myself since the little Rona has happened, because like literally it is so important to stay home. So make sure you guys stay home and start doing things on your own. This is the perfect time. But check out those 2 videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm and it helps support me so much, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you will be notified every time I drop a video. But that is it. I will see you guys later, and make sure you keep your eyebrows on fleek and looking popping always. Peace.